Poet by Kit Wright. Mom, I'm trying to do my homework. Tell him to go away. I have to write a poem, but he just wants to play. Thanks, Mom. And the clown's name was Buzzard. Oh, get lost. He traveled all around the world, and many seas he crossed. Mom, he's jumping on my bed again. Now he's on my chair. He hit me with the pillow and there's feathers everywhere. Mom! Now stay out! Now, where was I? Oh yes, Buzzard loved adventuring in one dark night. What shall I use to rhyme with night? Oh yes, he had a great big fright. I know what I'll write. As Buzzard entered the pirate's cave and saw a body hung, as he backed out quietly, Mom! He's back again and sticking out his tongue. Look, you're 7 years old. Do as you're told. How can I create if you don't get right out of here? You won't be turning 8.